Hello everyone, I'm Said and welcome back. Let's solve a few more problems using logarithm properties. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Ready? Let's get started. Number 1, if log of 2x plus y over 3 equals log of x plus log of y over 2, find the value of 4x squared plus y squared in terms of xy. First, look at the right hand side of our equation. Means log of x plus log of y over 2. We know the product rule for logarithms, which says log of a plus log of b equals log of ab, right? So we have log of xy. Remember, diving by 2 is the same as multiplying by 1/2 log of xy, and using the power rule that 1/2 goes inside as an exponent, so equals log of xy to the power of 1/2, and we know that log of the square root of xy. So our original equation becomes log of 2x plus y over 3 equals log of the square root of xy. Since we have a log on both sides, we can simply drop the logs and equate the inside. So we have 2x plus y over 3 equals the square root of xy. To get rid of the square root and the fraction, let's square both sides. So we get 2x plus y squared over 9 equals xy, and if we multiply by 9, we have 2x plus y squared equals 9xy. Now expand the left side. We have 4x squared plus 4xy plus y squared equals 9xy. Now subtract 4xy from both sides. We have 4x squared plus y squared equals 5xy. And final answer is this. Number 2, evaluate 0.25 to the power of -1 plus log base the square root of 2 of 10. First, focus on the base. We know that 0.25 equals 1 over 4 or 2 to the power of -2. Now look at the exponent. -1 plus log base the square root of 2, 10. Since the square root of 2 is 2 to the power of 1/2, we have 1 plus log base 2 to the power of 1/2 of 10. So we have 1 plus 1 over 1/2 is 2 log of 10 base 2. So our expression is now 2 to the power of -2 to the power of -1 plus 2 log base 2 of 10. Let's distribute that exponent, means 2 to the power of -2 to the power of -1 times 2 to the power of -2 to the power of 2 log base 2 of 10. So we have 2 to the power of -2 to the power of -1 is -2 times -1 is +2. So 2 squared 4 times 2 to the power of negative 2 times 2 is negative 4 log base 2 of 10. So we have 4 times 2 to the power of log base 2 of 10 to the power of negative 4. 10 to the power of negative 4. Now using the property a to the power of log base a of b equals b. So 2 to the power of log base 2 of 10 to the power of negative 4 equals 4 times 10 to the power of negative 4. So final answer is 0.0004. Number 3, evaluate the square root of 10 to the power of 2 plus 1/2 log of 16. Let's start with the expression inside the square root. Means 10 to the power of 2 plus 1/2 log of 16, right? Equals 10 to the power of 2 times 10 to the power of 1/2 log of 16, right? So we have 10 squared is 100 times 10 to the power of log of 16 to the power of 1/2 log of 16 to the power of 1/2 equals 100 times 10 to the power of log of 16 to the power of 1/2 is the square root of 16. So we have 100 times 10 to the power of log of 4. Now using this property means a to the power of log base a of b is b. So we have equals 100 times 10 to the power of log base 10 of 4 is 4, right? 4 equals 400. So the square root of this expression is the square root of 400 is 20.